Greetings, Tim Dixon. This is Author here from 10 Polhemus Place. We conducted the investigation a few days ago after there was a big flash flood, and what I found that after during my investigation, what I found that the water found two ways to get inside the apartment and destroy the floor. One was from the street, actually, because there is no drain in front of the door and not in the front yard as well. And when the water level rised in front in a street, water came rushing into towards of the apartment and underneath the door and made its way and damaged the hardwood floor. Another source of damage, water into the apartment, was the sewer main. As you know, at the entrance we have there is the door to access the sewer main cleanouts, and it was a lot of debris around it, so which is an indication that the water actually also came from underneath the floor with the pipe. So what happens that when we have a global warming and the water levels are rising, which means also the pressure of the water system is rising, and the water system cannot handle a lot of water, so it's pushing this water towards of the apartments. So when you have a clean out, just water is gonna push and pressure is gonna pop those covers off and destroy everything. So now let's watch the video, and after the video we're gonna go back again and make my argument and and plan what to do and how to prevent this thing happening going forward. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, it seems like the water came, because I don't see any traces of water from outside coming in, and this thing is pitched. I mean, there's no drain here. Would certainly help if there was a drain here. There is a possibility that water would come inside, and but the most likely water came from underneath, and which I can't access because the thing is stuck because of the water. I mean, there's a trap underneath here, so well, this thing needs to be removed. I think it's and you have still water underneath. All this floor is gonna get even worse. You see the here joints, they still have water, still wet. It's all gonna come out. It's all gonna come out. Doesn't seem like in the back a lot. Nothing, just this section here. Maybe we can create a molding here, like transition point. We take out everything, we replace the floor here, which will definitely make a difference. But yeah, they had a lot of water here, and I believe she's right, but the amount of water that's here definitely is from underneath. For me to open it up and verify it, I will have to break it, and I don't want to break it now, but definitely would help to put the drain here, dig the hole, put the drain there, connect it to here, rebuild this whole area, rebuild this whole entire area, and call it a day. That's quite a bit of expensive repair. The floor as well. Okay. Thank you. So since you watched the video now there are two things need to happen. One is that drain we got to install in front of the door. It's recommended to do trench drain, so the water can't escape. And also recommended to do backflow preventer after the water and sewer main trap, to install the backflow preventer that will prevent water when the water level will rise in a sewer system. It won't push it back and flood the apartment like it happened a few times. It happened in Harlem, it happened in Brooklyn, it happened many places. If you watch the video about Ida, that's exactly what happened, and that's how 9 people drowned in Brooklyn. So we can stop this from happening, but if the water levels will rise too much, more than 5-6 inches, we can gain here. And then we gotta think about different approach. Also, I would remove the floor completely in the front room, and I would install tile instead of hardwood floor, because it's a highly risky area, and we don't want to be repairing floor every few years. So this my approach, my idea will give us buyers another 10 to 20 years. Depends on how fast the global warming will advance. But anyway, thank you very much for your time, and have a wonderful evening. Bye.